Notice: this is the verbal copyright fair use notice, Title 17 U.S. Code, Section 107-118 of the Copyright Law. All media in this video is used for the purpose of review and commentary for fair use. All footage, music, and images used belong to their respective copyright holders. All review material is meant for all ages and are looked at from an adult analytical perspective. Viewers under the age of 13 should not watch without parental guidance. Please support the official release.
Hello everyone, we're tackling We Are the Titans song from Hercules and Xena, Battle for Mount Olympus 1998 animated movie.
If you don't know about this one, I don't blame you. This is basically an animated adaptation that's basically a crossover of the live-action Hercules series and the live-action Xena Warrior Princess.
So it's a very deep cut.
Emphasis on deep.
Oh, but goodness, this is... I know what's coming, and I didn't expect things to know about this, but...
Paper and I know about this, but Gao and Fang have no clue.
I never even knew about this.
So...
Dang.
This is going to be funny for us and you guys.
Cue the popcorn eating clip.
Shall we jump on in?
Yes, let's do it.
Shaka.
Boom shaka laka laka boom shaka laka laka.
What the?
Okay.
We're the Titans. We're the worst. We're meaner and we're so much more perverse.
What?
Zeus had all the luck, but now he's cursed. 'Cause we're the Titans. We're the worst.
We chose them and we bounced them and we pushed them off the edge into the void.
Oh, good lord, what the fuck?
And once the Chronos Stone is
Why the
fully mine,
Mine.
the world will be destroyed.
I'm getting
Ah.
destroyed.
Assy.
We're the Titans, we rule the day. We'll make the gods and little humans pay. We'll bury them beneath our feet of clay. We're the Titans, we're okay. Boom shaka laka laka, boom shaka laka laka. Boom shaka laka laka, boom shaka laka laka, boom boom.
What the fuck is happening here?
I have no idea.
Is that Hera?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's Hera.
Dear
Okay.
God, she's hideous.
Okay, this one is the Titan of Wind. Kind of the dumb, stupid one. And it's not made better when Hera uses the Chronos Stone to evolve them.
Evolve? What are they?
Yeah.
Digimon?
She was very stupid.
Yeah, but
'Cause as
before
soon
we
as-
go
'cause
any
as-
further, I gotta ask, what is the Chronos Stone in this case?
Okay, basically the Chronos Stone is a stone essentially that gives Zeus the power over everything. Whoever wields the Chronos Stone has dominion over all creation. It's something the Titans wants because it belonged to their father Kronos. And Zeus took it when Kronos was defeated. Whether it's Kronos' heart, whether it's his mind, basically with it, you literally control everything.
Well, damn.
The
Got it.
actual mythological is that when Rhea saved Zeus, she swaddled a stone in his place and fed that to Cronus.
I thought it was a mix of mustard and wine.
No, that's what got everyone out of Cronus.
Oh, right.
The stone replaced Zeus inside,
All right.
but when he freed his siblings, the stone was also thrown up.
Ugh. Ah,
So this one's the Wind.
Oh yeah. Boom shaka laka laka, boom shaka laka laka.
Fire and Water.
We're the Titans.
And the
We're
one on the left
worst.
is Earth. Okay, we can pause. Okay, since we're doing this, we'll stop it before it gets. If it goes into the movie, we'll stop it before. You know what's sad? Universal Cartoon Studios is probably not even open anymore.
Ugh.
Oh, here we go. So, Fame, you know how the Muse is open for Hercules, the Disney one?
Yeah.
For mystery.
Made of magic and mystery.
Well, this is already.
And Titans, lightning and bolts. Help the stone, help the world.
And take a look here. It's actually interesting if you pause, because Greece and India. And then I'm pretty sure that that's supposed to be over near Egypt.
And into darkest earth the Titans whirl. And Zeus the thunder in his throne. Zeus became the ruler of them all. Come with me across the sea of time. Come with me across the sea of time. Where creatures never seen.
Just never seen before. The Gorgon and the Manticore.
The silver tree.
Silver tree. Across the sea of time.
Come with me across the sea of time.
Alright, this is haunting. I like it.
Across the sea of time. Where man and God meet in the door. Where gods are kings and men are pawns. And no man born is truly free. Across the sea of
Across the sea of time.
Zeus descended from the sky, the lightning by his side. Love like thunder in his heart to take a mortal bride. And
The mortal bride.
union came a son, half human and half god, with twice the strength of mortal men to walk.
Not them buck teeth. Oh God.
No, it's his first teeth. It's just baby teeth.
Oh.
Come with me across the sea of time. When men
Yeah, this ain't the movie. This is just a song. This is like a hauntingly beautiful yet extremely creepy melody, and I kind of dig it.
name they call is Hercules.
Oh, it's Hercules.
Across the sea of time.
Nice to meet you, Steve. Nice to meet you, Steve, ladies.
Across the sea.
Like, this is really, it's really cool, but really haunting. It's
Yeah.
different from like the Hercules movie with the muses, where they introduce everything, and it's a lot more upbeat, to put it bluntly. Like it's just like the compare and contrast is like really cool.
And I believe these are nymphs in this universe. They might be sirens. It's either nymphs or sirens, I forget which. I used to remember.
But yeah, if you guys want us to react to the full movie, get us to 100 likes and we will.
Mm-hmm.
Or someone can join our Patreon, subscribe to our Ko-fi, and request it.
Yeah, 'cause
Very
that's the quickest
true.
way to get us to react to something like that. Join it, and we request it, and we'll do it.
Because I know this song because it came up just one day while I was scrolling.
Shaka-laka-laka, boom, shaka-laka-laka, boom.
And just the boom, shaka, laka, boom,
We're
boom.
the Titans. We're the worst. We're meaner and we're so much more perverse.
That's not a really
Yeah.
good thing.
All the luck, but now it's cursed. 'Cause we're the Titans. We're the worst.
We drove them and we bounced
No,
them and
fame.
pushed them off the edge.
I just remembered. So yeah, as you saw, Zeus got turned into a mouse.
Yeah.
Guess what? Aphrodite gets turned into.
A clam.
Can't.
What'd you say, Fame?
A cat.
No, she
A
gets
worm?
turned into. No, she gets turned into a cow.
Wow.
Oh, the sweet fucking irony.
But yeah,
Oh god.
if you guys want to see more of this, let us know down below.
You have no idea how much that fucking pleases me to hear that bitch got turned into a fucking cow.
Yet he loves the Aphrodite song from Hercules.
Aphrodite, 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 the goddess of love.
Cause that one's different from like all the other bullshit Aphrodite crap that gets shown off.
Aphrodite, Aphrodite, Aphrodite.
The goddess of love. See, this one is different from the other.
Aphrodite, 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 the goddess of love.
See, she's different. This is one version of Aphrodite I could actually come to like, cause she's not a complete bitch.
But this is also on the table to get us to react to the old school Disney shows.
But we'll do a proper video introduction for that. This one is like if you get us to 100 likes, it's for the animated Hercules and Xena movie. If you want to join our Patreon, you can get that movie requested, or you can even request the live action Hercules TV series and the Xena series. Both are like really fantastic with a lot of highs, a lot of lows, and great acting from both the actor who played Hercules and the actress who played Xena. Like really spot on, exceptional characters.
But for now, we'll end here.
Ciao, everybody.
So long, peoples.
Later on.
Bye.